You mentioned site speed before, and you said we'd get to that. With site speed, if its site's not loading as fast, but it's adding value, are you sort of saying that site speed is not something to put time, effort, and energy into? What's your take on that?
Everything I do with SEO is takes a logical approach to like how it matters in Google's eyes. So site speed is one of those things where Google is usually going to use some sort of baseline. And if you're much slower than the baseline, then they may remove you from mobile results only, but not you're not getting penalized. You're just being removed from those results. And the baseline will vary. So if you're competing against the fastest e-commerce websites in the world, it's possible that for those results, you wouldn't be as visible, again, only on those queries as your very fast competitors. I have never seen that to be the case, but that's more than likely something will happen. Now you have to be much, much slower than the baseline. Should you invest in site speed? I think site speed is so important because most people are on mobile phones. Most people are on varied connections, whether it's slow Wi-Fi or slow mobile broadband. You want your website to load fast. So when they're trying to load it, they don't just cancel it and go somewhere else. That's why you optimize the site. But to make the page faster and to make the site faster because Google told you you should, and you think you're going to get a bump in visibility, I wouldn't do that because I don't think you can justify the ROI there. But there was a company I was working with. They had an analytics script that ran on millions of websites around the world. And one of those big agencies that get paid on deliverables told them that the first 6 months of their project with them was going to be helping them improve their page speed. And they asked me what I thought, and this is how I won the business. I told them they run an analytics script on millions of websites around the world. They have to be fast. Like that's a core business thing. Are they going, like, if they're slow, they lose business. Or now if they invested, in their case, it would be millions of dollars to make their actual marketing website faster. If they made their marketing website faster because it was already decently fast, I didn't think they would get any ROI from that. So that's the way of approaching it. If you're on a really slow shared hosting server, probably it's not great for users. Should you move it? Yes, because it's better for users. If you move it, will you see more visibility from Google? Very unlikely.
Yeah, it's coming back to the first principle of the user, not Google. I think that's awesome.